2. Each student will be having learning kit containing the materials for modular learning and guide for parents, learning plan for students, and checklist for parents and students. Step 3. The parents or guardians will pick up the learning kit. The school will also be using LR Move and LR Pasabay for selected students. Step 4. The parents will receive the learning kit in accordance with the distribution scheme set by the school, followed by the accomplishment of the modules by the learners through the help of the parents. In case there are questions, the parents, learners, may contact the subject teachers during their scheduled class through text messages or phone calls. Step 6. Parents will submit the output of his/her child in accordance with the retrieval scheme of the school. Last, Step 7. The teacher will check the modules and contact the parents with regards to accomplished learning material. Next learning mode is modular distance learning digital. Here is the process flow. For step 1, the advisor will prepare the learning materials for modular digital. It could be saved to USB or the like. Another way is, the advisor could also send the modules via Messenger. Next step would be the learners to download the modules and accomplish them. The learner may contact the subject teachers during the scheduled class if needed. For the last step, the learners may now submit their outputs to their subject teachers via Messenger. For the last learning mode, which is online distance learning, here is the process flow. Step 1. The teacher will prepare the learning materials for online learning. Step 2. The teacher will use different online platforms. The teacher will make virtual classroom like Google Classroom or Facebook group. Third step. The teacher may also utilize apps like Zoom and Google Meet in discussing the lesson. Step 4. The learners will use the available devices with their own internet connection or through the Connect a Learner program. Final step. The learners will join into a virtual classroom made by the teacher. Teaching learning process will happen in this virtual classroom. The teacher will assess their work and all activities in the Google Classroom. For the learning resource distribution and retrieval scheme, the school prioritized learners who are living in District 1 of Rodriguez. Most of them are within the 5-kilometer radius of our school. In Barangay San Jose, there are 598 learners. Balite, 62 learners. San Rafael, 287 learners. Jeronimo, 49 learners. Barangay Manggahan, 137 students. Burgos area, 315. Rosario, there are 80 students. We also have learner in Barangay San Isidro, which is 113 students. For the modular printed and digital learning resource scheme, there are 985 students who opted to learn through printed module. Hence, there will be 857 parents or guardians who will pick the materials in the school. The remaining 128 will be delivered via LR Move and LR Pasabay. Those were the students who do not have the access to come to school due to valid reasons. LR Move are Volunteer Riders Association who will help in delivering learning resources to the homes of students who are having difficulty in getting the LR.